An under construction page maintains your web presence and builds anticipation while you work on your site. By using a cover page, lock screen, or regular page, you can create a unique under construction page to share your away message or upcoming announcements. We'll cover each of these options briefly in this video. Let's get started by creating a cover page. Cover pages are clean and eye-catching, with built-in tools for adding content in a standalone, full-bleed page, making them great under construction pages. To add a cover page, navigate to your Pages panel, click on the plus icon, and choose Cover Page from the Create New Page menu. Here you can choose a cover page layout. Edit the branding and text to reflect your logo or brand name and a message. Feature a full bleed background image, background video, or background color. Calls to action, as well as a form to connect to your visitors. Cover pages are styled independently of a site's template, making them stand out from the rest of your site. You can change the typography and color through the Cover Pages Style panel. A lock screen can be customized to serve as an under construction page while still allowing select visitors to access your site. Once you've set a site-wide or a page password, head over to your Design panel and click Lock Screen. Like a cover page, the lock screen features built-in tools for adding imagery, text, and branding. For a more DIY approach, you can use a regular page to create an under construction page. This is a good option if you want to use more content blocks or add custom code. Now I'll set my under construction page as my home page. This will ensure my under construction page is the first thing someone sees when visiting my site. Whether you're using a regular page or a cover page, make your under construction page the only visible page on your site by moving all your pages, along with your under construction page, to the Not Linked section. This will hide your pages from your navigation menu, but still leave the home page accessible. Another option is to set page passwords for all pages except the under construction page while you work on your site. Maintain your visitor's experience while you maintain your site by creating an under construction page that reflects your identity and communicates with your visitors while you're away. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.